the hunt for quantum black holes.
The CMS and ATLAS experiments at CERN have conducted extensive searches for microscopic black hole signatures in proton-proton collisions. These searches focus on identifying the distinctive particle sprays that would result from Hawking radiation as micro-black holes evaporate almost instantaneously after formation. The CMS experiment completed comprehensive searches for microscopic black holes produced in high-energy collisions, analyzing data for the characteristic patterns these exotic objects would create. Their detectors look for events where particles converge inward rather than spray outward, consistent with space-time being warped by extreme gravity before the black hole's rapid evaporation. Recent ATLAS collaboration research published in 2023 searched for quantum black holes in electron plus jet and muon plus jet invariant mass spectra using 140 inverse femtobarns of collision data. While no definitive evidence was found, the experiment set important limits on black hole production, ruling out their existence below certain mass thresholds in various theoretical models. The search techniques involve sophisticated pattern recognition algorithms that can distinguish genuine black hole signatures from the background noise of ordinary particle collisions. These advanced analysis methods continue to push the boundaries of what's detectable, bringing scientists closer to potentially revolutionary discoveries.